The first Epistle of Clement to the Corinthians.
Chapter 13. It is impossible to escape the vengeance of God if we continue in sin. Seeing then all things are seen and heard by God, let us fear him, and let us lay aside our wicked works which proceed from ill desires, that through his mercy we may be delivered from the condemnation to come. For whither can any of us flee from his mighty hand? Or what world shall receive any of those who run away from him? For thus saith the Scripture in a certain place, whither shall I flee from thy spirit, or where shall I hide myself from thy presence? If I ascend up into heaven, thou art there. If I shall go to the uttermost parts of the earth, there is thy right hand. If I shall make my bed in the deep, thy spirit is there. Whither then shall any one go? Or whither shall he run from him that comprehends all things? Let us therefore come to him with holiness of hearts, lifting up chaste and undefiled hands unto him, loving our gracious and merciful Father, who has made us to partake of his election. For so it is written, when the Most High divided the nations, when he separated the sons of Adam, he set the bounds of the nations according to the number of his angels. His people Jacob became the portion of the Lord, and Israel the lot of his inheritance. And in another place he saith, behold, the Lord taketh unto himself a nation out of the midst of the nations, as a man taketh the first fruits of his flour, and the most holy shall come out of that nation.